Hey everyone, welcome to an unboxing therapy episode again. Um, we hope you enjoyed the last one, and we're going to do another one, round two. I do have just a few purchases today at my local Walmart. They do restock on Thursdays, as an employee informed me. Um, let's see, I also have um, a single delivery today, but it's a pretty big deal. Going to be used for an episode, upcoming episode, and also um, as my last video about finding this at Walgreens, I'm going to open about you know 5 of these, and to at least give you guys a sneak peek of what's inside and help you guys decide if this is something you want to do, and go ahead and go to your local Walgreens and find this. So um, let's start the show. Okay, so first things first is this guy, the Palkia V Star Premium Collection organ form. Um, it's a little too big for the screen here, but here's the close-up look, and we'll unpack this and see what's inside. Uh, then, as you can see, kind of the V and V Star form of Palkia, and it's like it's Fusion Striked, Astral Radiance um, in there, and I think one Lost Origin pack in there, so a total of six. So two Lost Origins, two Astral Radiance, and two Fusion Strikes booster packs in there as well. Yeah, so Walmart got this in stock, as you've been seeing on other YouTube videos, and as you see on Twitter, as far as Pokemon Twitter group, um, there's some people pulling some great, pulls out of this one. So looking forward to opening this. Up next is, you guessed it, the Dialga V Star Human Collection. Uh, there you go. Uh, Sorry for the lights here, but yeah, again, same thing. Uh, Six booster packs, two pair of Lost Origins, Astral Radiance, and Fusion Strikes in it. Um, Again, they had about four of each stacked up. I will be bringing cameras. My camera when get more time in doing these kind of Pokemon hunting. I'll take you around town and do hunt. Also, a few video ideas with the kids as far as taking us outside, so we're not just going to be in the studio filming or something like that. Yeah, so looking forward to um, opening this soon. Yeah, there was a lot of releases. My gosh, from tin cans. First what started it was the Dragonite Pokemon Go V-Box, and then all of a sudden, bam, 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 you know, a bunch of stuff. So next one I got, and what I snagged, and one in, Zeora VMAX V-Star box. Of course, Deoxys is another one. Pair, I showed you the trading deck card um, that came with it. So, um, awesome. I look forward to opening this as well. Probably gonna snag the Deoxys when I see it, and then open it together or something like that. Not bad. It came with three cards. Two, yeah, V Star and V Max. awesome, and looked like it came with four um, here, and a pair of Lost Origins and a pair of Astral Radiance, and looked like a brilliant star in there. So um, yeah, uh, probably caused by reprinting or something like that. So yeah, excited to this in the near future, and look forward to it. Of course, there's some ETVs as well, and they had some Fusion Strikes, Shining Fates, the EV Box, the Astral Radiance, and I saw one Evolving Skies, and I'm gonna try to keep my eye on Evolving Skies until I pull that Moonbreon, um, and the other EV arts, as most of the popular YouTubers and some of the YouTubers are pulling already. Um, Hopefully, the reprinting increases the chance of pulling these things. So, great. And I also snagged a few of these individual packets. And surprise, I'm going to open you in a short while. So yeah, bought an ETB. Last but not least is this package. This is from eBay, and let's see. Let's open it. Show you a sneak peek of what I got. I don't know where my trusted knife went. And boom. Now you've seen this in stores. This tin can with that, but surprise, surprise, it's not it. What's inside? Yes, so they are packs and packs and packs, about 50 packs of both English and Japanese booster packs. They're kind of like a mystery pack, involve assorted ones. Again, not sure what I got. Could be some mix of, old and, current packs. So we will open them soon. Then I can show you this. It came with the Drapion V, and it looks like some stickers. Okay. Let's see. Open it for y'all. Hope you guys are having a day. I don't know if you guys have been watching the news and you're hearing about what's happening, and there's going to be a housing bubble crash. A couple of the YouTubers I listen to are kind of, I don't know, maybe creating FUD in your investments or whatnot. I met some more co-workers that are into trading card games. Not exactly Pokemon, but like sports, and decided to just invite me to Whatnot app, and that's like a whatchamacallit, online bidding or live bidding for trading cards. So whether you're interested in all spectrums of trading card games, like sports, Pokemon, Dragon Ball Z, Naruto, any popular like Yu-Gi-Oh, Magic card, yeah, they have it all. Check it out. Whatnot. Now I'm not sponsored by it yet, so Whatnot, if you're listening, I could use some sponsorships in this channel. Um, Other than that, yeah. So yeah, I just installed it in my phone. Um, it looks like this Japanese set, Astral Radiance, is in there. Pokemon Go, some Lost Origins, a 25th anniversary. Hey, there you go, VMAX, and many, many more. And awesome Hidden Fates. And there you go, Cosmic Eclipse, Crimson Invasion, more Pokemon Go. So I guess this is the English ones now. Shining Fates, and Burning Shadows. Okay, so yeah, it's a bit of mix. Awesome, and that's it. So I will leave the rest in your imagination and your patience into seeing what else comes in this mystery box. So a sneak peek. So you saw a bit of mix. So I'm excited for Cosmic Eclipse, and looking forward to that. All right. So let's get right to business. Let's go with opening these Evolving Skies. See what we snag. Hopefully, fire would be nice to pull a big hit in the good cards. You've seen it happen. Why not us? There you go. So yeah, what do you guys think? Comment down below if at least save some money on the side for emergencies, regardless of whether how the economy is doing. You never know. Always save for a rainy day. Here, guys, nothing. Cash is king. Stay employed if you're working, or look for a stable job or additional income. Spare time, do what you can, guys. Evolving Skies. What do you guys feel about the reprinting of these things? Are you happy? It does keep the price of these packs, maintain its MSRP. Altaria, Appleton. Cold. And you guys been keeping up to date with the Pokemon Scarlet and Pokemon Violet game coming up? Are you guys excited? Which version are you getting? Lightning Energy, Eevee, Cupid, Wet, Wishy-Washy. A little bit of wishy-washy here. So, fourth and final Skies pack. It's crazy. I mean, I just found this in the toy aisle, just hanging out before these. Uh, yeah, even in the toy section, they had some Pikachu V boxes. Um, some more of that, this Charizard and Dynamax Pikachu tin cans, as well as those individual packs, and the Galarian birds. It's funny because Walmart was selling it for $11.99, those 3 Galarian birds, so it's a little bit cheaper in the Dollar General by $2. It's $10. $10. So it's amazing where you could find some deals. Dialga solid. It's a reverse hollow. Alright. As promised, these mystery packs said to be fire. And let me know. Evolving Skies. And secret card. Ferrothorn. Alright. Put that aside. Let's see what's next one. It says seeded. Look for chase packs. Seeded 1 to 10. Look for vintage packs. Now, there's like different vintage packs. Darkness Ablaze. Again, the company doing this is MJ Holding Company LLC, known for making mystery boxes and finding them in Walgreens, Walmart, I guess, some parts of the country. Yeah. Looks like to be another Evolving Skies. Great. Diancie. Regular hollow. Let me know if you guys had a chance to snag some of these. Kirlia. Regular hollow. Imagine. Evolving Skies. Still looking for you. Finally. I wonder what kind of vintage pack they put. I mean, man, they got a first edition. Team Rocket. That'd be flyer. That'd be dope. A Zygarde. Reverse hollow. Interesting. Like a Gundam. A Gundam mentality. Alright. And an Evolving Skies. So without further ado, let's make Darkness Ablaze. Not pulled one single great thing yet here, other than that gold elemental. Let's see if that changes now. Energy. Ursaring. Heat Energy. Simisar. Larvesta. Hippopotas. Golett. Skitty. Daimo. Yellhorn. Volcarona. That's it. Alright, by the way, these are the giveaway that will be announced to a lucky subscriber by this coming Sunday, the 16th. If you have not done so, please subscribe and also putting a like on any of the videos this week, as well as commenting in any of the videos this week, and or comment and drop in a message in our Twitter. 16th winners will be announced for two of these, so you can get it by Halloween. Okay, so Evolving Skies. Let's do this guy first. You guys having a Halloween party? Now comment down below, what are you gonna wear for Halloween? I know my coworkers are planning to wear Stranger Things costumes. Sleep Energy, Natural, Love This, Crushland, Chinchu, Beneville, No, Spirit Mask, Litigant. I mean, quite a lot of, fictional shows that are out right now. It's unbelievable. I mean, it's almost same amount of new Pokemon products coming out. You guys watching any of them? Like, Game of Thrones on Amazon. I mean, on HBO. Lord of the Rings, installment in Amazon. Man, there's just so much going on, and the costumes, so much choices. It's crazy. Nice to go outside and trick or treat again. Ginger, Scraggy, Beavis, Mochina, Slacko, Hitterlil, Rider, Reverse, Galarian, Moltres. Very nice. Here's the code. Two, three, four. Fighting Energy. Blue Shape. Gozo. Shopping Center. Bergmite. Carvana. Emaldo. Electric. 4. 3 4. Melodic. Not big hits today. Very stingy today. Oops. Yeah. So yeah, guys, I encourage you guys to comment and keep liking the videos. Hope you appreciate this, and trying to put more content on a daily basis. It's kind of hard. Working and then nothing. But yeah, so that's it for today. Comment down below what was your favorite part of the video. Hopefully you like that the unboxing and excited for this mystery tin can that came, both Japanese and English sets. Other than that, y'all have a nice day. Bye.